kasama natin ang journalist. Hashtag journalist ang dapat koronan.
Hi everyone. Hi Miss Tenten. Thank you so much for gracing the press presentation of Miss International Queen Philippines 2025, because people like you will spread the word that, you know, the advocacy of the MIQ Philippines, which is inclusivity and trans right po.
First, let me recognize and acknowledge your freshness right now. It's different from the usual, isn't
Yes.
it? What's this all about?
I think I am stepping up my game plan for this Miss International Queen Philippines 2025. I believe that Yunil, the baby girl that they have known, is a grown up right now. So I think I need to be more mature enough, and I need to level up my styling in order for me to, you know, meet the guidelines and meet what a Miss International Queen Philippines is all about.
Yeah, there are a lot of puksaan girls out here, isn't it? One is you, di ba? Nakipagpuksaan this is edition. How does it feel right now na medyo, parang this is your first national, I guess, di ba?
Napakasaya, at the same time pressure on my part, because yun nga, sabi nga nila puksaan edition, but I think I will just stick on my game plan. Sabi nga nila dark horse daw ako ng trans pageant. Kaya lagi nilang tandaan kung yung lagi nilang bantayan kung sino yung nananahimik, yun yung tutusok sa huli.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Because that is the attack of the tigre of the Mandaluyong, isn't it? Yung medyo tahimik pero nangangagat.
Diba? Kasi ang tigre, hindi naman agad siya sumusunggab ng kanyang prey, diba? Dahan-dahan lang muna siya at bago niya sunggabin yung pagkain niya. And that will be my game plan here in Miss International Queen Philippines.
So that's not a secret anymore, because pero that is just one of those.
One of those. Just like what Pia Wurzbach once said, know when to pick.
Yes. We are always seeing you in barangayans and local pageants out there, but this is a higher level. And what is your promise to the Mandaluyong people or Mandaleños out there na iniintay ang iyong pagsampa sa stage dito sa Miss International Queen 2025?
I think pinaka-promise ko for this Miss International Queen Philippines 2025 is that I will make Mandaluyong proud of me. I will make Mandaluyong will be one of the powerhouse sa trans pageant, because it's been a long time na we have the legacies of Mama Barbie Anderson, si Mommy Mitch, the legacy of Mommy Mitch. So I think I am the Gen Z, and I want to uplift the legacy of them here in Miss International Queen Philippines. But I will always stick to my core. Hindi ako mawawala sa core ko na I will treat this pageant not just a pageant for me, but for me to uplift trans right and trans visibility, because that is my main advocacy here in Miss International Queen Philippines: trans visibility and awareness through quality education, uplifting the Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations number 4 and 5.
Okay, period. That's not the question and answer round yet. That's just an interview for Yunil out there. Pero hataw na. Let's wait and see for Yunil for the Miss International Queen Philippines 2025.
Thank you so much, Miss Ted.